was 8 years old and I found nothing, no hope.
Imel sem 8 let in nisem imel nobenega upanja.
Now, I can't see that book when I'm facing this way.
In ko sem obrnen takole, ne morem videti knjigo, ki je za menoj.
So at age 8, I told my mum I wanted to commit suicide.
Torej pri 8 letih sem povedal mami, da želim storiti samomor.
Now, I'm not saying that I'm suffering more than you.
Jaz ne pravim, da trpim bolj kot kdorkoli izmed vas.
I personally believe it's worse being in a broken home than having no arms or legs.
Jaz mislim, da je huje odraščati v zlomljeni, razbiti družini, kakor biti brez rok in nog.
You would give up your arm to have someone back in your life.
Odrezali bi si roko, samo da bi imeli nazaj svojo ljubljeno osebo.
No one could help me.
Nihče mi ni mogel pomagati.
And at age 10, I tried to commit suicide.
In pri 10 letih sem poskušal storiti samomor.
I thought to myself, there would be one thing that would save me right now.
In mislil sem si, zagotovo samo ena stvar bi me rešila.
Me being 10 years old here.
Naprimer, da sem jaz 10-letni deček.
If I had met a 30-year-old man without arms and legs, just like me.
In če bi se srečal z 30-letnim moškim, ki bi bil brez rok in nog, ravno tako kot jaz.
And he is truly happy.
In če bi bil on zares srečen,
He's got peace.
če bi on zares imel mir,
He knows the truth of his value.
če bi poznal resnico o njegovi lastni vrednosti
And he has found purpose.
in če bi imel namen,
If he looks at me and says, Nick, you know what? Don't give up.
če bi tak človek pogledal vame in mi rekel, Nik, ne obupaj.
And he says, God's got a plan for your life, I would believe him.
In če bi mi on dejal, Nik, Bog ima načrt za svoje življenje, temu človeku bi verjel.
I didn't get that miracle.
Ampak nisem dobil tega čudeža.
So I went to a bathtub,
Torej, šel sem v kopalnico v banjo
feeling all alone.
in počutil sem se osamljenega.
And in 15 centimeters of water, I turned over to drown myself.
In v 15 centimetrih vode sem se želel utopiti.
The first 2 times, I was trying to work out how much air I hold in my lungs.
Prve dvakrat sem poskušal ugotoviti, koliko zraka moram zadržati v pljučih, da bi se lahko utopil.
But the third time I rolled over, I had this picture in my mind
Ampak tretjič, ko sem se potopil, sem dobil to sliko.
of what would happen if I actually went through with it.
Sem si predstavljal, kaj bi se zgodilo, če bi dovršil svoj namen.
I saw my mum and my dad and my younger brother crying at my grave.
Svojo mamo in očeta in mlajšega brata sem zagledal, kako jokajo pri mojem grobu.
And I couldn't do that to them.
In tega jim nisem mogel storiti.
So I decided to stay.
Zato sem se odločil, da ostanem.
Man, am I glad I stayed.
Kako sem vesel, da sem ostal.